Welcome to our video on AWS Introduction. In this video, we will explore the fundamentals of AWS, its history, and the global infrastructure it offers. What is AWS? AWS stands for Amazon Web Services. AWS is the world's biggest and most secure cloud platform. It offers more than 200 plus fully featured services from data centers globally, such as computing power, virtual private network, storage, databases, content delivery, etc. AWS provides services to millions of customers including single users, startups, organizations, and government agencies over the internet. Let's explore the timeline of AWS and its key milestones. AWS was launched as a subsidiary of Amazon in 2002. In 2004, AWS introduced its first service, Simple Queue Service, SQS. Then, in 2006, AWS relaunched three initial services, S3 Cloud Storage, SQS, and EC2. The year 2009 marked the introduction of a Virtual Private Cloud, VPC, allowing customers to create isolated networks within the AWS cloud. Today, AWS has grown exponentially and offers around 200 plus fully featured services from data centers worldwide. Let's understand AWS Global Infrastructure and its component. It is designed to ensure high availability, scalability, and low latency for its services. AWS Global Infrastructure consists of regions. There are approximately 31 launched regions worldwide. Availability zones. There are approximately 99 availability zones available within the AWS infrastructure. And points of presence. AWS has deployed over 450 points of presence globally. It includes more than 400 edge locations and 13 regional edge caches. Let's explore more about AWS regions. AWS has multiple regions worldwide, representing separate geographic areas with data centers strategically located for global coverage. Each region consists of multiple availability zones and physically isolated locations within a region, ensuring fault tolerance and high availability for AWS services. AWS regions provide global coverage with strategically located data centers, while availability zones within each region offer fault tolerance and high availability for AWS services. Moving on to availability zones. Within each AWS region, you'll find multiple availability zones. Each availability zone is designed as an isolated and self-contained unit within an AWS region. They are physically separate from each other and operate independently with their own power, cooling, and networking infrastructure. Availability zones within a region are interconnected through low-latency links. This high-speed network connectivity enables you to architect fault-tolerant and highly available applications across multiple availability zones. Now, let's talk about AWS edge locations and regional edge caches. AWS edge locations serve as endpoints of the AWS network, strategically positioned worldwide. Edge locations play a crucial role in content delivery by caching frequently accessed content closer to end users. This caching mechanism reduces latency and improves the overall performance of content delivery, ensuring a faster and smoother experience for end users. AWS strategically positions edge locations to ensure widespread coverage and proximity to end users. By placing edge locations in strategic locations, AWS can minimize latency and optimize the delivery of AWS services. Regional edge caches, where a larger cache width is available to store content like video, photos, artwork, etc. Data can be served from regional edge cache even after expires invalidate from the cache at the edge locations. That's it for our video on AWS Introduction. We hope you found this information helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Thanks for watching.